Versilis Commander for simplified integration and reduced implementation costs. An automated lane closure system typically includes advanced warning signs, gates, and an ITS field cabinet. Field devices are controlled locally using the Versilis handheld remote control or remotely using the Versilis Commander. The Commander is a turnkey PLC interface module. It is the single piece of equipment you need to control and monitor the ITS field devices. ITS field devices can include gates, swift signs, flashing beacons, digital message signs, lane control signs, traffic signal controllers, and more. The Commander is delivered on a rack mount assembly including a local and remote switch, push buttons, emergency stop, and an error indicator. The Commander is highly configurable. It allows device grouping, sequencing, delays, pause and stop options, interlocks, and more. The Commander is installed in a nearby ITS cabinet. When a lane closure is activated, the Commander executes the configured sequence, monitors the device's status, and provides feedback to the control center. The key Commander benefits include simplified integration and reduced implementation costs.